How to delete payment method on DoorDash. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can delete your payment method on DoorDash. For this, go ahead and open up any web browser, then head over to DoorDash.com. Here, you want to make sure to sign into your account. Once you have been signed in, on the left-hand side panel, you want to scroll down and click on the account option. Then you want to click on the payment option, which is under the account settings. Now you're going to get in the payment methods page. Here you will be able to view all of your saved payment methods. Now, if you want to delete any of your saved payment methods, you will need at least one other payment method to delete your existing payment method. If you do not have another payment method, go ahead and click on the Add New Payment Method option. If you select credit or debit card, you will have to enter all of these information shown in this box. Once you enter it, click on the Add button. Once you have added the another payment method, you want to click on the trash icon next to the card you want to remove. If you see a green check mark on the card instead of a trash can, click the name of your another payment method first. This sets your new payment method as the default option. Once you click the trash icon, the card will be removed from DoorDash. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.